Alright everybody, welcome back to another video. It's ModelRocks 321. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, drop comments, all that stuff, share your thoughts, share your ideas. Today we're flying a couple of just random rockets. Got my scale HYDAC right here. That is a camera all taped to it, kind of sort of looking ugly, but we'll get some nice onboard footage if everything goes right. And here we have the Starhawk vintage Estes. This is a scratch build I did a long time ago from some Peter Allway plans. Going to be sending that on a D12-3, and this will be going on a B64 after this guy right here. So stay tuned. Also, you want to discount over at Estes Rockets, put in IN_321 in their checkout window when it's time, and you'll get yourself a nice discount. Let's do some rocket launches. All right, here we go, guys. We got the HYDAC. Don't worry about that. We got the HYDAC going on a D12-5. Another breezy day. Angled into the wind. Here we go. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is. And parachute is out. Way up in the sky, high flyer. High flyer, he's way up there. Yeah, he's gonna do a good drift. Yeah, he's sending me for a walk again. Let me get walking. Keep an eye on it. Oh, I gotta keep an eye. Here he comes. Coming down within the area so far. They like to catch a little of their own breeze or thermal up there. There he goes. He's getting pushed down. He's coming down. He's coming down. Let me see if I can find him for you guys. I think I'm losing him. There, let me get back on him for you. Get back on him for you. There he is. There he is. He's all the way over there. He's all the way. Yeah, he's way over there. Touching down. Right there. Everything for these past few launches have been in that general area. Pretty easy to find. Decent little walks though. Decent walks. Get you your steps. Get you your exercise. But I'll be right back, guys. I'm going to recover this guy. 3, 2, 1. First flight of the day. Nice. The HYDAC. All right, guys, so here's the HYDAC. Look like I got a broken fin, but I do have the camera intact, so I will take that. Fins are repairable, no problem. It's been broken many times. You can see that yellow epoxy there. And parachute portion in the bush. I wish that had been in the bush, but nonetheless, we got onboard footage, and we got a recovery. We're in good hands, my friend. We're in good hands. Let's go on and get this and get out of here. One down, let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go on, subscribe, you know what to do. Drop comment, all that good stuff. Check community posts also. Some stuff in there. 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, here we go. We got the last flight of the day. This is just a little quick little 2-flight launch for you. We got the Starhawk going on a B64. Got that breeze again, but this should be a good one. Nice vintage, nice, beautiful blue. Gonna fly this guy right now, and I want you guys to enjoy it. So here we go, and we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go, up and down, 4-second delay. Where you at? Boom, there you go. And he is out good, close to the pad, coming fast though. Oh no, that's too fast. Please, please, please. That hit pretty hard, but we should be good. There we go. And that is the flight of the day, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little quick little 2-flight, trying to get you guys some flights again. We will be back with more. We still got the Soyuz. We got a bunch of stuff to fly by Max Q. Got some repairs to make still. Got all kind of stuff coming up. This is 3, 2, 1. Let's check these fins. They hit kind of hard. They're gonna break. No. I built them pretty sturdy. Oh, he survived that. Good. Little guys are good. These are good. We are in good shape. That's a nice way to end it. Stay tuned for the debriefing and all that other fun stuff. Shop EstesRockets.com. Put in discount code IN_321. And let's have some rocket fun. And we are out, guys. Got the drone up, as you can see the drone in the sky right there. So enjoy this drone footage just coming up, guys.
All right, so here we go. The rocket takes off in a hurry. There it is going up. And it's very breezy, so it's going to come down in a hurry. If you look at the top center screen, there it is streaking down already. Look to the bottom right, you'll see it. There it is right there. Just past that bush that's on the far right side of the screen. I'm heading out. This is drone footage. That's why I'm doing this voiceover. Drone, she turns it the other way, so there's nothing pretty much to see here. But coming up, you'll just see me. I'll have it at recovery. This is a little bit more drone footage right here. Just me with the Starhawk. And yeah, so that's all for the drone footage. We're going to head into the debriefing. Thanks, guys. Enjoy. All right, guys, welcome to another debriefing. Quick 2 flights today. In this video, you saw the Starhawk and you saw my scale scratch built HYDAC, built from Peter Allway plans from one of his books. I forget which one, but yeah, the Starhawk flew really nice. That was an A83 engine. I thought it was a B. I thought I was flying all Bs, but I have a lot of A83s. I got to get rid of some of them, so you'll probably see some A flights here and there. I'll throw some of them in just to thin them out a little bit, because I have, plenty of them. I won't really show them a lot of love unless I'm in a small park is when they really get their flights. But yeah, flew this one on a went really well. Blue color, nice rocket, real slick, real sleek, cool design. Can't argue with it. No complaints at all. Super cool. Next up, I flew the HYDAC. Pretty, like a 3-foot tall rocket. It's a scale model actually. Had a broken fin, flew on a D12.5 motor. Let me get that out of there. Fin's still hanging on, but I'm going to re-glue that. That's why I didn't really pull it off yet. Let me get this D12 out of here. So you have D12.5. Flew that guy, went pretty good. Nice flight. This is really, these scale models, that's one thing about scale models, they really fly really well. They're like proven designs, which I've said many, many times on this channel. Yeah, if you can go scale, get some scale stuff, or scratch build some scale ones to the T, and you'll be pretty successful. Like, very nice. Got that swirl around there, light blue. This one's very beat up. I had this for many years now. I remember it was really nice. All the colors. It got many dings and dents now, but it's a flyer. I make them to fly them. So that is that, man. Great flight. This has a little spacer in there. I also fly this on E12s once in a while. Really high flights. And this is the payload section. And here's the payload section. I send altimeters up, onboard video, of course. So I'm going to get this thing glued because it's flapping around. I'm going to glue this up. Matter of fact, I can get that started right now as we get out of here. And I do appreciate all you guys stopping by and supporting the channel. Remember, EstesRockets.com. IN_321 is the discount code. If you want to shop Estes, go there, put that number in, that little space right in your shopping cart. You'll see it. Put that in and get yourself a discount. You can get motors, you can get a lot of stuff. So go on over there and support that. Let me see, is this glue going to come out, or is it jammed up in there? Might be, a little might come out. Yeah, so go on over there, support that. Also check the links below. I got some stickers and stuff like that. You can get some ModelRocket321 logo stickers. Yeah, this glue, the nozzle's all clogged up, so I want to do that, unclog this thing. But all right, guys, we'll catch you on another video. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for the support, and we are out. ModelRocket321.